Hello everyone, it's Jason, and I am playing on Burning Crusade Classic tonight. Just had some random thoughts and things I wanted to kind of get out on Season of Mastery Eve. Also had to make some adjustments based on the last video. I had to make some adjustments to both the video and to the audio. So I think I've got everything kind of tweaked, but I did want to do like a full test video and publish it out on YouTube just to see, make sure everything was going okay. But we're going to go and kill some of the Defias to get the bandanas, and I think at level 9 I should be able to solo Princess, because in the Burning Crusade she is not an elite, or she's not elite in regular, but she's rather beefy, and she has an entourage with her. And I think in Burning Crusade Classic, with the Burning Crusade they nerfed her a little bit, so God, where am I even heading? Okay. Well, I'm probably going to grab, yep, figured that would happen. Yeah, just go away. Anyway, I wanted to do a little bit lengthier video this time around just to see how things go. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before. I've got some people that I follow, that I watch, that do World of Warcraft playthroughs, that I just wanted to see how things go. Still seems a little loud, but we'll see as we go here. Got line of sight behind the fence post. That was pretty awesome. Big miss. Gonna kick me any second. Oh, got him. Oh, got a bandana. Super. Should probably just spam Frostbolt, right?
Mana is low.
Boom. Heifer. Alright. Oh. Refreshing spring water. That reminds me I can make my own food and water, but I need to drink the water I just got to do that. So you can see this guy is an enchanter. I probably will be going the same route on Season of Mastery with the mage that I have there. That's going to look very much like my friend Peros here. I think his name is Jason, which is my name spelled with a J-A-E. So that's a little different. Okay. Alright, and then I like to just move the important stuff kind of towards the end a little bit. That way the newer stuff that I can sell goes to the top and any quest items don't get sold. Alright, looks good. Really need to get my tailoring going so I can build my bags. Alright. Can I polymorph? Yeah, probably. It's a critter. Yikes, better. Oh, there we go. Good, no problem. No problem. And got that done. Now let's see if we can finish off these little bandanas. Oh, you're not alone. Let's go over here. Now social aggro that person over there. No, you are not. Deal. Better drink. So I think once once my channel gets rolling, once I get a couple episodes of Season of Mastery done, I do plan on possibly rolling an alternate character and just doing a playthrough. I've thought about doing something that I'm not really all that familiar with, like a shaman, like an orc shaman. Never really done that, but I watched a guy do a playthrough where he played as a shaman, and it made the character look a little interesting. More interesting than I kind of thought they were to begin with. So we may give the an orc shaman, a playthrough at some point. Oh, thank God I got that. Oh, super duper level. Boy, that was, talk about convenient. Wow, that was well timed. Well timed. For once, the game did me a solid. And it didn't troll me with like an automatic respawn right on top of where I was at with 2% health or something, which sometimes happens, occasionally. Defias somewhere right there. Love the delay sometimes on the attack where you actually kill them before you deal the blow. Oh, this is not good. This is probably going to be a death. Yep. Oh, thanks. Wow, that was well timed. I need to run. Did not see the other Defias over there. Well, let's try that again, except with less dying. Maybe try this other side. And I'm still in combat.
I need to get closer.
No, I'm not. Chest over there. I wonder if I can get that chest without aggroing those named mobs in that hut. Fun times. Let's see. Well, maybe. Yep. What's in here? Garbage? And hot garbage. Oh, I bet that dude was probably heading for it. Sorry, dude. Didn't mean to ninja. Now they're dropping, finally. It always seems like you get a couple of drops at first, and then it takes a minute for them to drop anymore, and eventually they finally start dropping until that last one. And that last one seems like you have to kill 8 million people to get whatever it is that you're looking for. We'll see how it works in this case. Yeah, figures. Is there a friend over there dying somewhere? So used to opening with Fire Blast before, I forget I need to open with the Frostbolt, because that actually does freeze them for a tick and lets you get a fireball off that does the little dot on it. Was that an immediate respawn? Tell me that was an immediate respawn.
My mana is low.
Oh, of course it is. Oh, I don't think that was an immediate respawn. I think that was just his path that he patrols. Let's see. Yeah, see, you do the Frostbolt first. It does slow them down just a little bit. And that's complete. Pole Hogger. So that's complete. So it slows them down just enough to where you can get, so you can do the Frostbolt, Fireball, and then just spam Frostbolt. Especially if you're going Frost Nova, or if you're going Frost Mage, which I think almost everybody and their mother does Frost Mage. That's what I'm planning to do. That's what I've got with this character, and that's probably what I'll do on Season of Mastery. I've always heard people say that there's a perk to being, if you're going to do a solo adventure and want to do a lot of DPS, you would do fire. That may be true. I mean, there's Pyroblast, and there's a lot of other things that you can do with being a fire. But to me, I like to have the Frost Nova and the ability to... I hope I haven't been muted this whole time. That would suck. But the ability to do the Frost Nova, and then you have the talent that also gets you... So let's look at it here, since we actually are at level 10. But it is Frostbite, so that you could even Frost Bolt them, and it'll give you basically an extra Frost Nova. The chances on that, it's just like anything else. I can hit it and not get it at all during multiple pulls, and then get it like 4 times in a row.
Be careful.
Now, do I have any linen? A little bit. I like to just do the bolt of linen cloth until it turns yellow, just before I start creating anything, because I like to get the maximum amount of talent that I can out of just making bolts of linen cloth. But I bet this guy at level 10 probably has something. Yep, brown linen vest. Still not a green. Do tailoring and enchanting, because with the tailoring, you do eventually start crafting like some of the robes are like green items, and then later on as you advance you start crafting blue items. But as an enchanter, you're basically just creating your own enchanting materials for free, basically, just by doing tailoring. And obviously if you tailor something that's good enough to keep, then you would keep it. But like already this questing with this guy earlier today, I picked up a dagger, which I can't use yet, and then a mace, and both of them were green. So I went ahead and disenchanted them and got my 4 lesser magic essences. The thing with enchanting that's also cool, especially if you're a caster, is that you can eventually obviously craft yourself a lesser. It's a lesser magic wand and then a greater magic wand. And those actually are pretty decent wands that you can just craft yourself. Why am I walking back to Goldshire? Goodness. Oh, level 10. So that would be my mage quest. Forget what this is, but
Hello.
get a
Safe
pretty
travel.
decent robe out of it, I think.
What can I do for you?
Old Hogger. Get back.
Be careful.
Inventory is full.
Oh, dough.
I supply only the finest
Sell
goods.
that. Sell that. Don't need the tough jerky. Really don't need the water.
See you later.
Okay. This is Elmore's task. Yep.
For the Alliance.
Easy enough.
Greetings. For the Alliance.
Okay. Now, yeah, let's turn this one down. Farm. I think Ma Stonefield gives us her husband's gloves that he forgot to take in combat. They were his lucky gloves. I guess he should have taken them into combat if they were lucky. So, other random thoughts. I'm really looking forward to Season of Mastery. If you guys are going to play, you might even just drop me a comment. Let me know what server you're going to be on. If you're going to be on the same server, we can possibly get hook up and roll some quests together if you like. I'm always up to joining a group, especially on a massively multiplayer online role-playing game. I mean, it's a lot of times it's really fun to just kind of randomly hook up with, you know, a couple of like-minded people that want to run the quests and aren't looking to run you through a dungeon, pay them 5 gold, just power level you through a dungeon. I'd rather play the quests. I've heard another guy, I watch his videos, he says is with like-minded people to roll the content at level, and I feel the same way. That's the way the game was intended to play. There you go, Ma.
Need help?
Oh, wrong quest. Let's see. Do I want... so yeah, those would be a slight upgrade. That one actually sell for more, but I'm not really concerned about
Be careful.
money at this point in the game. What's that? Oh, gnolls. Forget there's gnolls in this area. Pretty close by. Are they actually over here? Sometimes they're on the other side of the river. Hey, look at there. Level
I'm out
9.
of range.
I tell you what, I'm not going to get started in that quest yet. Don't want to go down that rabbit hole. And I'm going to go back to town. I was just talking to my mage trainer. I was talking about a derp moment. I was at my mage trainer, and I didn't train my new talents. That was fantastic. Oh, Snow Bunny. Yeah, funny. More than likely, she's going Frost. Mega Kuma. His guild's Panda. Interesting. don't really know how long this video will be. I wanted to do somewhere in the neighborhood of about 20 or 30 minutes-ish, just to get something with some length to it, just to see how long it takes YouTube to post a video. My other video that I did was about a 4-minute video, just an intro, and of course, it went right through as far as I can tell. Let's see.
Hey there.
And we finally get
See you
Frost
around.
Nova. So, new level of Conjure Water. So in Classic, you have to actually move your spells down. Rank 2 of armor, right? Yep. And Frost Nova. Put that there. Just go ahead and create that so I can put that down in my task or my action bar. And good to go. I think actually I am going to hold it there and get some more Rested XP. But as I mentioned, starting tomorrow I'll be I'll be doing episodes of Season of Mastery. Those probably will be longer. I'm going to try to make those episodes about an hour, because I'm going to try and play that character for about an hour. We'll see what happens, because I believe it goes live local here at 5 o'clock, which is when I get off work. So work from home, so I'll just be able to get right into the madness. So if you guys are going to play along with the Season of Mastery, like I said, just drop a comment. Give me a like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'm going to be hopefully doing more of these types of videos. Just doing some casual playthroughs. When I get into where I'm doing an actual playthrough, I'll more than likely be reading the quests, just because I kind of like that when I'm watching other videos. I'll read the quests, and any tips or tricks that you guys have got, if you're familiar with playing the game and want to give me some pointers and tell me how I'm doing it wrong, by all means, I welcome any and all comments. But like I said, that's going to be it for tonight. And hope to see you guys tomorrow in Season of Mastery. Have a good evening.